Slider windows are a popular choice for Glendale homeowners thanks to their clean design, easy operation, and ability to bring in natural light. They work especially well in modern and transitional homes throughout the area. However, while choosing the right slider window is important, how it's installed plays an even bigger role in how well it performs over time. In Glendale's hot, dry climate, with dust, intense sun, and seasonal temperature shifts, professional installation is essential for getting the most out of your slider windows. Here's how expert installation significantly enhances the performance, comfort, and longevity of slider windows in Glendale homes. Precise fit prevents heat loss and air leaks. Slider windows rely on tight tolerances to seal properly. Even small gaps can allow hot outdoor air to enter during Glendale's long summers, forcing cooling systems to work harder. Professional installers take exact measurements of the window opening, ensure the frame is level, square, and properly aligned, eliminate gaps that cause drafts or heat intrusion. This precision helps maintain stable indoor temperatures and reduces energy waste. Proper sealing blocks dust and outdoor pollutants. Glendale homeowners are especially familiar with dust and airborne debris. Poorly installed slider windows can allow these particles to sneak inside through small openings. Professional installation includes high-quality insulation around the frame, durable caulking, and weather stripping. Tight seals along tracks and edges. These measures help keep indoor air cleaner and reduce the need for frequent cleaning. Smooth operation improves everyday convenience. One of the biggest advantages of slider windows is their ease of use, but only when they're installed correctly. Improper installation can cause sticking, dragging, or misalignment. With professional installation, tracks are perfectly aligned, rollers glide smoothly without resistance, sashes move easily and lock securely. This ensures slider windows remain effortless to open and close for years. Energy-efficient features perform as designed. Modern slider windows often include energy-saving features such as low-E glass, insulated frames, and multi-pane construction. These features only work properly when installed correctly. Professional installers ensure glass units remain sealed and intact. Insulated frames are fully supported. Thermal barriers aren't compromised. This maximizes energy efficiency and helps lower cooling costs during Glendale's hottest months. Improved noise reduction. For a quieter home, slider windows can help reduce outdoor noise, but only if air gaps and alignment issues are eliminated. Professional installation minimizes sound transmission by sealing weak points. Benefits include reduced traffic and neighborhood noise, less disruption from wind or outdoor activity, a calmer, more peaceful indoor environment. This added comfort is especially valuable in busy Glendale neighborhoods. 6. Moisture protection during seasonal storms. Although Glendale is known for dry weather, monsoon season can bring sudden rain. Improperly installed windows may allow water intrusion that damages walls or flooring. Professional installers apply proper flashing techniques, ensure drainage pathways function correctly, seal vulnerable joints against water entry. This protects your home during unexpected storms. Long-term durability and reduced maintenance. Slider windows that aren't installed properly often require frequent adjustments or repairs. Professional installation reduces stress on window components, helping them last longer. Homeowners benefit from fewer maintenance issues, reliable performance year after year, reduced risk of frame warping or track damage. This protects your investment over the long term. Warranty protection and peace of mind. Many window manufacturers require professional installation to maintain warranty coverage. Improper installation can void warranties and leave homeowners responsible for future repairs. Professional installation preserves manufacturer warranties, ensures accountability, provides confidence in long-term performance. Performance starts with professional installation. Slider windows are a smart choice for Glendale homes, but their comfort, efficiency, and durability depend heavily on how they're installed. Professional installation ensures tight seals, smooth operation, effective energy performance, and lasting protection against heat, dust, and seasonal weather. For Glendale homeowners investing in slider windows, professional installation isn't just an added benefit, it's the key to enjoying the full performance and value of your window upgrade for years to come.